Have you ever wondered what's inside a GameCube controller? Let me tell you. It's the circuit board of a GameCube controller. So you got your wiggly stick and your C wiggly stick. Now I've noticed I've actually had a couple of these part today, and I've noticed that the main chip, this one is CNT-DOL-A. Now the first one I worked on was just, there was no -A, so I had to look for differences, and I found that, well, as far as I could tell, it was just this board. For some reason it had a socket from the main board on this, and you could actually disconnect it, whereas here it's sort of a ribbony cable. Quite an interesting mechanism. So the rumble control-y thing is right at the top, and it's massive, which is why the GameCube controller shakes so much. But the triggers, there's the triggers. So they are actually little slidey things that sort of sit there. That's kind of exciting. The actual button for them to click is on the top here, the conductive pad. So I thought that was a bit interesting, at the very least. But there you have it. That's the insides of a GameCube controller. Not terribly much to it. It looks, they've used a lot more surface mount components than the old Segas and the old Nintendos, I suppose. And that's it. Just thought you should know. Thanks for watching. McRetro out.